This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into Amazon and confirming a valid payment method. This saves time at checkout. Next, pick the gift card amount, use preset $25 or enter a custom value if available, because the amount determines fees and delivery options. Then choose delivery type: e-gift for instant email, printable for hand delivery, or a physical card via mail. Each has different processing times. Once done, double-check recipient email or address to prevent bounce-backs and delays. You now personalize the gift card. The design matters for perceived value, so pick one matching the occasion. Add a recipient name and a short message. Keep it clear and friendly. Then set a delivery date if you want timed arrival. For email delivery, preview the e-gift to confirm the recipient address and message. This avoids mistakes. For physical cards, make sure the shipping address is complete and choose gift wrap only if you want that extra presentation. You finish by completing payment and reviewing the order summary. Confirm billing, recipient, and delivery date, then click Buy Now. After purchase, watch for the confirmation email and check your orders to see delivery status. E-gifts usually arrive instantly, physical cards take longer. If the recipient says they did not get it, make sure the email wasn't filtered to spam, confirm the payment cleared, and then contact Amazon support with your order ID to resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.